Hello, friends. I hope you are all fine. Thanks for visiting my channel again. Today, I will teach you how to make points at the of a TWG file or an AutoCAD file. How I make in the Teamwell Business Center. This is my Teamwell Business Center. As you can see, it is open, and my file I will open in the name of Drawing One. Let me show the file. So, as you can see, this is my file. I need points at every corners or every intersection. So what should I do? I simply close the file, go to the Timble Business Center, then simply drag it. Dragging it means I am importing the file in the working plane. So after dragging, I will go to the CAD menu. As you can see, there is an option of create from CAD. Okay, it is shown create points from CAD. I will choose everyone. See, I have chosen every options. Okay, then I will click on selection. Then I will select the entire thing. Then I will give the point ID. I will start with 1. Click on apply. So, as you can see, my points are created. Okay, so after click on, I will click close. I will simply go to the home button, then click on export. DWG exporter I will choose. Click on option. I will choose select all. Then where I will put my file, I will select that folder. I will put my file in, suppose, D. DWG. I will give the name. After giving the name of the file, I will simply click on export. Okay, simply close or minimize. Go to the D. As you can see, the DWG file has been created. I will open. I am opening this. So as you can see, I will simply change the type of the points. Choose this option. Okay. As you can see, the points has been created. I need the coordinates of this point. I will make automatic coordinates of this point. Okay. First of all, I will numbering again this one. I think this created extra. These points I need to delete. As these have two lines, that's why it's created two times beside. Okay, no need to worry. I will simply first of all change the point size, then it will be visible rightly. Then again I need to change it because it not visible correctly. As you can see, the points has been visible correctly, but mistakenly I make a more make a extra line here. That's why it's give me two times. So I suppose I don't need this. I will simply delete that one, that line and that point. which has been created. I am deleting. I just show you how to make automatic coordinates. That's why I am deleting those points because I don't need, or I can make, but it becomes so much hazy. That's why I am deleting this. So first of all, I choose a point. I will go to the copy selection. Okay. So now I need every point's coordinate. I will simply type d text, d e t e x t. As you can see, d text. Enter. Then it asks me the start point. I will start from here. Okay, I will give, as you can see, it's asking for specify the height. I will give 1. Okay, I don't want any kind of rotation details. Okay, then simply go to the insert field. I will choose objects. I will choose again objects. Then click here object type. I will choose, I will choose object. Then click on object. Okay, I need position. That's why I am choosing the properties of the point is position. Then I need current units x, y, and z. Then click on OK. As you can see, the xy has been came for this point. So what should I do now for rest of the points? Okay, I will simply type data text, data extraction, extra. Okay, after clicking this, click on next. I will give a name. Select file. I will select. Okay, then go to next. I will choose point only as I need the points coordinates only. Then click on geometry, reverse click, invert selection. I need x, y, and z. Okay, x value is this, y value is this, z value is this. Click on copy to clipboard. I will open Excel. Paste. Okay, I will delete this one. So as you can see, the position of x is this. X means string, northing, and z value. Okay, if there is a value of z, as it is a 2D model, that's why it gives me 0 value of the z. If you have 3D points, then it will give a value of z also. Okay, so this is the coordinates of the points, but I need to show in every points. The coordinates will be shown on the points. As you can see, the points of this only has been shown the coordinates, but rest of them don't. So first of all, I will identify the point. Go to the I will open the snap. I will make a node to identify this point. I just make a LE comment which is indicate by a arrow. Change the arrow size. So this line is indicate that point. But I need all the points coordinate. First of all, I already extract. I need to concatenate this text. Then simply click concatenate. I will choose this comma this comma 0. Okay, simply drag and now I will copy. First of all, I will change the color of the points. I make it yellow. I will simply color change the color of the text also. Style I will change by simply type style. Then go to the this will okay. I think it's visible. If not, I am changing in blue. This is visible. This is the point coordinate as you can see. Same. So what should I do now? I simply copy. Type copy COPY. Select all the members. Okay. Then specify the base. It is very important to specify the base of that point only first. Then it asking me the second point specify. I will simply go to the my Excel sheet. Then simply copy after dragging copy. My data has been copied. I will right click here, go to paste. As you can see, all the value of the coordinates has been pasted, but you can see the same value has came as it because I copy this one the same number, okay, or the same coordinate of this point in everyone. Now I will change it from here. I will go to the view, sorry, I will go to the view of the menu bar, view, then region all. So as you can see, the value has been changed, but I will make a suitable position for this as it's too much close. That's why it's coming like this. If I drag this, it will give a position, or I can change the make it select similar. I will change the height. Point it's become very small. I have changed the height. Select similar. I make it 3. So as you can see, suppose this is my point. As you can see, the coordinate has been shown 72.722. 85.473. So same has been came here. Let me check another. Suppose this one give me this coordinate 62.72. As you can see, it has been shown here also 15.47. So I hope you understand this thing very clearly. If you have any doubt, just simply comments on the comment section. If you like my video, if you need more informational video like this, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much. Have a good day.